How to get 75% off Southwest Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Southwest Airlines coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. In this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers: 30% off, 40% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Southwest. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount in your flight. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this is how you can easily get up to 75% off working coupon code for Southwest Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.